Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to sign up on PictoBlox as a student, step by step using Gmail. Let's get started. First, open your PictoBlox app or browser and go to PictoBlox platform. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. If you already have an account, you can log into the account by using username and password. Otherwise, click on Register button. Now they will ask what type of account: student or teacher. For example, select student as your account type. Now there will show a dialog box by asking, are you older than 16 years? You can mention yes or no. Now you will be taken to Register window. Enter your Gmail ID. Choose a unique username which is only allowed to use alphabets and underscore. Then create a password by using uppercase special characters and numbers and confirm the password. Double check your details and click on Sign Up. Next, go to your Gmail inbox. You'll find an email from PictoBlox. Click the link inside to activate your account. Once activated, you're almost there. Now come back to your PictoBlox window. Just give a few more details, your date of birth, gender, country, and set a profile picture. And that's it. You're officially a PictoBlox user. Good news! You'll instantly get 1000 points after signing up. Use them to explore exciting AI and coding activities. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more PictoBlox tutorials. Happy coding!